Well, welcome back to Bobcat. We're down at the farm again today, and it's a really nice day, actually almost too nice. It's getting pretty warm, but I brought 4 .22 guns with me, and I'm going to shoot, the plan is to shoot a couple of different ammos. We'll see whether that plan works out or not. But I have a Ruger 1022, Ruger American bolt action, a Savage 64 semi-automatic, and then a Rossi RB22. I'm going to start out shooting some Federal target grade ammunition. That's what I just got done checking the sight in on the guns, so they should be relatively close. So I'm going to go back just to 50 yards, and the guns are already back there. So we'll see what we can do. The plan is to shoot 5 rounds at each of the diamonds. I actually put a black dot on these 2 top ones because the ammo is shooting a little bit high, and I left it that way because I'm going to shoot some less powerful ammo later, and I expect it to drop down into the diamonds. But this might be up at the top of the diamonds. We'll see how that shakes out. Anyhow, we're going to go back there and do it. Well, here we are at the 50-yard bench. Got all 4 guns here. They've been laying out in the sun for probably a half hour, so they're nice and warm. And we're going to shoot down there at 50 yards, starting out with the Ruger 1022. I have all the scopes set at 10x, so it should be a somewhat fair comparison. So we'll see how that goes. First, the Ruger 1022 at the upper left. And I think that was it. Next, the Ruger American bolt action. At the upper right. And that was it. Next we have the Savage Model 64. At the lower left. And this time we're shooting at the center of the diamond. And that was it. Next we're shooting the Rossi RB22. At the lower right, at the center of the diamond. And I do believe that was it. So we'll go take a look. Yeah, that was the Federal target grade ammo, 1200 feet per second. And looks like the 1022 had the little bit better group. These others are spread out, probably close to 2-inch groups. But that's probably semi-normal for me. So we'll load up a different ammo and we'll try it again.